show you that here is a shape there. Create some more designs. I will try the shapes again. Let's have a structure. Use the paint here. Keep on generating the shapes again. There is the paint. We will use the different structure. Add it. So here we will find the new designs to use there. I will take another design. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.